Who's an agent architect? In my view, and I have a very, very strong opinion about this. Literally everyone should should be an agent architect in their own, I would say, domain. It is like writing emails, like I said again, right? Everyone writes emails, be it a marketing person or a HR person or a developer or a CEO. Everyone writes an email. It's a medium mode of communication. And agent architecting is very similar. All of us do a lot of work, a lot of mundane work that we do in our daily life. And if you know how to build an agent to automate your own work, it'll actually save a ton of time for you as an individual because you can have your own. Like I had a customer who gave this fantastic analogy, right? Customer said, Siva, I mean, so what happened was, I showed my agents. I went to my marketplace and I was like showing, hey, these are all the agents that start the day with me. And the customer said, okay, you know what? You have your own Pokemons around you. And they kind of do a lot of these smaller tasks so that you don't kind of end up spending a lot of time. And the answer is absolutely yes. Like, for example, long form email writer. Um, think of writing a long email to your customer. And what I can do now is I can copy the email transcript and I can say that I would like to write an email to the customer and ask for a follow-up call. Here is the transcript. So, and then I can do the transcript. Now the agent is already trained, or rather, it has the instructions and examples of how I write my email. Now it saves easily about 10 minutes for me when it comes to writing a detailed email after a critical customer call, and the agent writes a pretty solid email and what it is all about. So this is what I'm talking about, knowing things that are building agents to ease your work. Another agent that I often use is NDA Redliner agent. So this NDA Redliner agent has the copy of Liser's NDA, and now all I have to do is when a new NDA comes to me, all I have to do is I don't have to speak to my lawyer. I can just go here. Let me try and see if I have an NDA somewhere here. Yeah, there's an NDA here. Let me try and copy this. So I can either upload the NDA to the app. I don't have the multi-model yet, so I'm just copy pasting here. So now the agent knows what are Liser's standard NDA and what is the customer NDA that has come in, and it starts redlining those critical points that we need to look into. So I don't have to go back to my attorney every time. I can actually look at these things with the help of my agent and do it. Now, you may argue this, hey, you can also do this with LLMs like GPT. Yes, but you'll have to give the context every time. But you don't have to do that. You have an agent that can do for you. And here, this agent is something I'm invoking via UI, but I can also make this agent available via API and have the whole thing automated as well. Where when an email comes in with an NDA, I can forward it to my agent saying, hey, can you please review it and share the red lines? I mean, redline the clauses that I need to think about, or share a red lined version, and the agent can reply back. So that is how you can kind of automate a lot of things in and around you. So hence, an agent architect is literally everyone. When you start solving the problems that you face on a daily basis, automate so those mundane tasks, you then start looking at your team as well. Okay, these are the processes that uh, my team spends a lot of time. How do we automate that with a multi-agent system? So that's how the whole thing evolves over a period of time.